So good day guys, so this is a chemistry video on UTME 2008. So I want to urge you, if you are new to this channel, that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscription on YouTube is free, and I urge you also to like, comment and share the video to your loved ones. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the main thing. So what we are doing in this episode is fountain experiment in chemistry. It's one of the important aspects in chemistry that you should take note. So without wasting much of our time, let's do it. So this is the diagram they gave us. They now say use this diagram to answer questions 33 and 34. So let's go to the questions at the next slide. So what does the question tells us? Says the gas that can be used to demonstrate this experiment. If you look at this experiment, it is called fountain experiment. So this is the fountain. So they now ask us which gases do we normally use for this type of experiment. But whenever you see them invert a conical flask like this, and they put two delivery tube like this, and this inverts them like this, an atmospheric threshold, they are talking about fountain. They are talking about water with blue litmus, things like that. So this experiment is called fountain experiment, and we have some gases that we normally use for this experiment. So for fountain experiments, so the gases used for fountain experiments for this process, which is called fountain experiments, so is hydrogen chloride, or ammonia, or SO2. But that of SO2 is not that common, but that of hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, and ammonia, that is NH3, is very common. So these are the two main gases that we normally use for fountain experiments. And if they ask you maybe in your exam that why is it that we use these two gases for fountain experiment, so the reason why we use them as fountain experiment is because they are highly soluble in water, despite the fact that they are gas. Do you know that most of the gases, they are insoluble in water, and if some of them are soluble, they will just be sparingly soluble. But these gases, despite the fact that they are a gas, yet they are still what? Soluble. They are even not ordinary soluble, but highly soluble in water. So the reason why they are suitable for fountain experiments is because they are highly soluble in water. So what's our answer here? So the gas that can be used to demonstrate this experiment, which experiment is that? Fountain experiment. So they say A, hydrogen chloride, B, hydrogen sulfide, C, nitrogen 2 oxide, D, dinitrogen 1 oxide. So our answer here is what? Hydrogen chloride. So now they say the color of the fountain water as seen in the diagram. So the color of the fountain water, don't say because they said water with blue, you will not go and pick blue. So the answer is the color of the fountain water is red. Please take note of that. The color of the what? Fountain water is what? Is red. Please take note of it. Whenever they ask you that what's the color of the fountain water in fountain experiment, so the color is what? Red. Please take note of that. So our answer here will be what? Will be red. So that's for this video. I hope you gained something. So feel free to comment on this video. So that's for this video. Bye.